This is the title of this game. Oh dear. You can see already by the main menu. This is alarming. Oh no. I'll only play a bit first. Let's just prove how horrible and crooked this game is. Seriously, I'll be back. And it'll give you scores if you're being cruel, which is really giving a bad influence, and it's just really bad. The next stage is remove the organs. That's really bad. And of course, at least at the end, it doesn't show you a bunch of facts and just shove all this down your throat again. It just tells you to go vegan. After that, it might influence some people, but no one's gonna go vegan because you corrupted a video game. That's gonna want people to go vegan less because of who's in their vegan community. These horrible people making horrible corruptions of kid games. I wouldn't want to be a vegan if that's the people around me. If anything, it's influencing me to not be vegan. So it's really just controversial stuff I don't want to get into, but if I didn't really want to just be angry at them, I wouldn't make this video. I'm sorry if this video is going to be 85 minutes long. It can't be 85 minutes long with my recorder, but whatever. I think. So and they targeted Mario. I'll show you that in a bit. Let's just click this out. As you can see, Mario was targeted by PETA because apparently Mario was promoting skinning tanukis because apparently a lot of people do that. It's horrible. I do agree, it's really horrible. But just PETA, you're overreacting. Mario isn't trying to influence this. Mario is just trying to be a fun game that kids can play, or all ages can play. It's not supposed to be targeting and influencing skinning raccoon dogs. And they targeted Steve Irwin. He was killed by apparently he was just the real thing that just got PETA going is when Google put this picture on their website. And I'm pretty sure it was for a special day in his life, his birthday or something. I don't remember. Apparently he was harassing animals. I do know that you wouldn't be famous for harassing animals. That's just horrible. And I've heard that and Steve Irwin was killed by a stingray. So to target a man that was killed by animals for harassing animals. It's just what the heck? And I believe, like, if you're gonna be like Steve Irwin, your goal is to influence kids to be respectful to wildlife and not, like, disrespect it or be scared of it. It's just really dumb. It's just, like, sad. I mean, I'm pretty sure PETA, like, puts down animals. So to Steve Irwin, I'm pretty sure he hasn't killed an animal. PETA, killing animals. Seriously. What the heck are you trying to say now? When you're actually putting down animals. And this guy is just trying to promote wildlife protection. I'm gonna get so much, like, actually, I know most people, they're, like, on what I'm saying right here. It's just bad. Like, this sentence is not true. Steve Irwin's actions were not on target with his supposed message to protect wildlife. I believe that was his message. And that was always going to be his message. And it's just really cruel for them to do things they're doing. Not to mention, the game is literally called Cookie Mama, their corrupted game they made. Cookie Mama, Mama kills animals. It's just horrible. It's just really horrible. Like, this is the ending. Not to mention, I think it's abusive the way she's holding this. I think she's harassing this turkey with how she's holding it, honestly. It's just, like, really horrible. I don't like the message PETA is trying to get across. Not the actual message, but what they're doing to try to get the message across. It's just, like, really bad. And the fact that they put this on the internet, it's just, like, really bad. Like, this is the things that you have to do in the game. Not to mention, they also targeted, I feel like this one a lot more people know. It's when they targeted Pokemon and compared it to elephants being locked in cages at circuses, which is horrible, and I think it's, like, really bad of PETA. It's supporting a really bad message. It is a kid's game. A kid's game. Stop targeting a kid's game. I always like to think, don't judge me, but I always like to think that inside the Pokemons have a pretty good home. But PETA's like, no, we're going to target this video game because why not? A kid's game. And we're going to, like, make it all gory and make it have a message that Pokemon isn't trying to get across at all. Pokemon is a kid game, not a game to promote animal abuse. Stop. PETA. You're probably never going to see this because I'm just a little block of... Wait, what? I'm just a little pebble in YouTube. But if someone that works for PETA or whatever, please just... These messages... Actually, I don't even want anyone to see this. Wait, what? It's just, like, horrible. I just don't make these gory games that are promoting animal abuse, in my opinion. Like, these games are promoting animal abuse. They're not stopping it. Like, Pokemon and Mario and Cookie Mama, I don't say they're promoting animal abuse. And Steve Irwin, he's not promoting animal harassment. So, like, please stop. Please. And I'm not going vegan if that's what you want me to do. I really like brisket and ribs, so I'm not going vegan. Because they made these gory games to try to get me to go vegan. And I've already said this, I know, but how she's holding this turkey is abuse and harassment to the animal. So, like, please stop. It's dumb. It's pathetic. It's childish. It's just really dumb, PETA.